Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome outdoors, and I'm going to fly Flywing FW450 V3 RC helicopter, the one which actually decided to crash on its very maiden flight, but it's fixed and it's back in action. Let's fly it and let's see how it goes. It's a very windy day, but yeah, it will handle it, inshallah. So it's pulled up, take off, and it's holding its position. Very windy day, but yeah, look at that, mashallah. It's a nice and solid hole right here. So of course I have set my personalized settings on assist software v2.0. It's doing very well. Let's say if we can do some auto 3D. So this is auto inverted, and we are coming closer, dangerously closer to ourselves. This is where it went bonkers last time, but today, mashallah, look at that. Nice hold, man. So, while we are inverted, why not we start rotating and do ourselves some pyro flips? Yeah, wind is pushing forward, farther from me, but hey, it's actually doing pyro flips right there. Now, if I bring it here, I'm just gonna do this. Oh, I came dangerously close. It's doing it, but because of the wind, it just gets into that ground, close to the ground. So once again, man, wish I could do this manual TikToks like this precise. Closer to the ground, I'm putting it in figure 8 flight mode. Okay, I'm gonna put the radio down. This is how much I'm actually trusting this helicopter and its altitude control. It's flying very well, mashallah, while my radio is still down here, see? Sweet. So, now let's see, putting it down here and zero fly. If you had a camera on it, of course you will get a beautiful POI, point of interest. Nice. Now return to home. Switch to return to home. Put the radio down. It will back somewhere here, because that's where it took off from. So I'm gonna pick up my radio. Don't want to leave the radio far away. Now you can see the helicopter is back, and it will land nearby where it took off from. Given that much wind, it's actually a very solid hold here, man. Even for descending, it's coming down nice and straight. Look at that. Look, I'm just holding the radio and it's landing all by itself.